Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 on your personal computer. First, confirm your system meets the minimum specifications, including an Intel Core i5-2300 or AMD Phenom 2X4945 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GTX 550 Ti or AMD Radeon HD 7870 graphics card. Next, acquire the game from a platform like Steam and install it. This process typically takes several minutes, depending on your internet speed and computer's performance, ensuring you have at least 30 gigabytes of free space. Once installed, launch Fallout 4 and familiarize yourself with the controls. Use the W, A, S, D keys for movement, the mouse for aiming and looking around, and the left mouse button to fire. The Tab key opens your Pip-Boy, a wrist-mounted computer for managing everything from your inventory to your character's statistics. You can also rebind keys in the settings menu to suit your playstyle, making your Wasteland journey more intuitive and enjoyable. Experiment to find what feels best for you. As you begin your adventure, prioritize exploration. The Commonwealth is massive, filled with hundreds of unique locations, each offering new challenges and rewards. Scavenge for resources like adhesive, steel, and circuitry to craft and upgrade your gear. When facing enemies, use cover effectively and choose the right weapon for the situation. A shotgun is great up close, while a sniper rifle excels at long range. Remember to save frequently, especially before entering dangerous areas. To truly personalize your Fallout 4 experience, delve into the world of modding. Thousands of community-created modifications can alter everything from graphics and gameplay mechanics to new quests and items. Websites like Nexus Mods offer a vast library, or you can use the in-game mod browser. Joining online forums and communities provides a great way to discover new mods, troubleshoot issues, and connect with fellow Wastelanders. This can extend your enjoyment for hundreds of additional hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.